Now, we also have, via an API, an ability to update a user. And via that update user API, you can actually update this node. And that's what we're going to do in this app. Okay. And we'll get to that in just a second. So, what we're doing here is we're getting up to 50 users at a time from our API. We're essentially mimicking what we just went through via the Fiddler app. Give me up to 50 users. 50 users, in fact 50 of any object is the maximum number of results that you can get from any of our APIs. So get me up to 50. We're going to run this as an infinite loop, and we're going to essentially add 50 to the start position each time until we run out of results. Now, what's particularly interesting here, if you notice, in the query string we have filter by equals has Twitter username true. So essentially, if we put all this together, what we have is give me 50 users from the ports REST API that have a Twitter username. Okay. So, if we found one or more user, we're going to interrogate each user. We're going to pick up their Twitter username. We're going to get the ID of the last tweet. We're going to use that against this main Twitter API here, which essentially says, give me all of this particular user's tweets after the last tweet ID. Okay, and if we found anything, well, we're going to log it. This right here mimics the post that we did via Fiddler a couple minutes ago. It's pretty straightforward. Notice that we've set up this custom activity XML. Okay. Make sure you do your encoding so that your XML doesn't blow up on you. And obviously it's critical that we go ahead and we log the tweet ID so that the next time on the next pass this doesn't log the same tweet. And that's all here. We do a general try catch. You probably want to log this here if you do run into something kind of ugly. I'm pretty confident in my programming ability, but we are a generation of men raised by our mothers, so how confident can you really be?